First pitch from Emmy. Change up. Inside. Drops in for a strike. 0-1's the count for Emmy.
1-3-0.
0-1 pitch. Curveball outside, misses. 1-1's the count for Emmy Cardenas, class of 2023, in the circle. Nice pitch. Now it's a nice pitch, high inside, jammed her, but the batter was able to get a bat on it and punch it out over first baseman in fair territory for the bloop single. Nice pitch by Emmy. It's good location. Batter just fought it off. 47.
Oh, this is the one that pat.
You gonna tell him? First pitch inside, in for a strike. About belt high. 0-1's the count for Emmy Cardenas. Change up.
Oh, yes.
There's a change up. Batter got a bat on it, hit it off the end of her bat towards Izzy Schultz, who catches it for the out, turns around, gets the runner trying to dive back in the first for the second play, for the double play, for a one unassisted double play, 3 unassisted on that double play. Next pitch, low ball outside. 1-0 is the count for Emmy. Nice play by Izzy Schultz at first. Was able to swing around to her right side and get the runner out on that 3 unassisted double play. Next pitch, fouled off left side over just past third base dugout. 1-1's the count for Emmy Cardenas.
1-4-3. Jay.
1-1 pitch. Ball outside, about 2 balls out. Misses for a ball. 2-1's the count.
2 balls, 1 strike. 2-3-5.
2 outs in the inning. No runs scored, no one on base. Nice diving play by Tamara Carranza. Hit so hard, at first glance, it looked like she gloved it, but I guess it hit, she one-hopped it, but she dove. Nice diving play to her right side. Got up, tried to throw it to first, but Izzy couldn't control that throw in the dirt, went past her. Base runner advances to second on that throw. Next pitch in for a strike from Emmy Cardenas. 0-1's the count. Nice diving play there by Tamara Carranza at short. Just the throw to first wasn't on target. Caused the runner to advance. Ball outside. Catches the edge of the plate according to Blue. 0-2 is the count for Emmy Cardenas.
3-4-2.
0-2 count. Change up. Slapper punches it out. Got her out. Slapper punches it out.